to chain abstraction to AI agents, of course, I'm talking about a project called Near Protocol. Near Protocol somehow find a way to stay relevant in this current state, and now it's trying to position itself right at the center of the AI boom. So what's interesting is that Near Protocol wasn't originally a blockchain project. It's actually some startup, so it's an AI startup. The founders were working on AI tools that could help machines write code. It sounds very familiar, right? Because today we have Cursor, we have Claude Code, we have GitHub Copilot. But Near Protocol's founders were thinking about this almost 1 decade ago. The problem that we were experiencing, for example, let's say they hired developers from around the world. However, they couldn't pay them efficiently. So that's why the reason is because like cross-chain payments were slow, very expensive, and sometimes did not work at all. So instead of fixing AI, they ended up building a blockchain, and that's literally how Near Protocol was born. So one reason, okay, Jamie, why are we talking about Near Protocol yet again? So one reason Near Protocol gets attention, like whenever AI becomes popular, is because of this founder. So here we have the picture of the founder. So he was actually one of the co-authors of the famous Transformer paper. And if that name sounds very familiar, the Transformer architecture is the foundation behind ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and basically every major AI model today. Even NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang has called the paper one of the most important breakthroughs in modern technology. So unlike many crypto projects that suddenly just like slam the name AI in the marketing and boom, this is some AI token, some AI crypto, Near Protocol actually has a genuine AI root. Now, let's talk about what Near Protocol is building today. So the biggest focus right now is something called intent. And don't worry about the technical term. The idea here is actually quite simple. So imagine you want to swap Bitcoin for Ethereum. Normally, think about it. You need bridges. You need different wallets, and you have to pay gas tokens and multiple steps. With intent, you simply tell the system, I want Bitcoin or I want Ethereum. The network figures out everything else automatically. So think of it like Uber. Like you don't tell the driver which roads to take, you simply tell them where you want to go. So this idea seems to be getting so much traction in the market right now. Near says its intent network now support around 25 different blockchains, and cumulative cross-chain volume has exceeded $20 billion. Of course, that is some large number, especially during a period when many crypto projects are struggling to grow. What's even more interesting is that the protocol has generated over 30 million in fees, and most of that growth happened recently. So people are actually using it, not just talking about it. Here's also where things get interesting. So AI agents are also in the whole roadmap of Near Protocol. AI agents are becoming one of the hottest themes in crypto. The idea is quite simple. So imagine an AI that can manage money, move assets between chains, execute trades on your behalf, and pay for services and do all of these stuff automatically. The problem is that today's crypto infrastructure is still too complicated. AI agents don't want to deal with bridges, don't want to deal with gas tokens because like you have to switch to at least like two. If you're playing across two different networks, you have to pay usually 1 or 2 gas tokens and you have to swap around. It's very annoying. Or you have to interact with 5 different wallets. And that's where Near Protocol believes intents can help. The network acts like a simplified backend that AI agents can use. In theory, that could make AI-powered finance much easier. And the reason why Near Protocol past 1 month performance is actually not bad. Like it depends on the time frame. Like we had a crash that also aligned with Bitcoin's price. Of course, like Bitcoin is a leader. So basically from beginning of May to the beginning of January, we pumped to like from almost a double. So $1.50 to $3, so a double. Like, congratulations to folks who caught this trade. But the reason why Near Protocol is catching so much attention is that there is also another layer and another narrative that people are putting attention on Near Protocol. So that being privacy. Near Protocol recently launched confidential transactions. So take a look at this. So these transactions hide trade details while still allowing verification, and adoption has been surprisingly strong. Over 40% of recent trading volume on Near came from private transactions. That is, of course, a huge number. The reason why is because large traders don't want everyone seeing the moves. If you are moving millions of dollars on chain, you don't want bots front running your trade. You don't want competitors watching your position. So privacy solves that problem. Of course, when it comes to privacy, there's always a downside. Like, whenever crypto projects introduce some privacy features, regulators are paying attention. We have seen that with Tornado Cash. Governments don't like systems that they cannot monitor. So while privacy might attract users, it might also attract regulators. And that's probably one of the biggest risks for Near Protocol going forward. So the reason why I'm paying attention to Near isn't because it's suddenly the hottest chain again. It's because the project sits right at the intersection of three major narratives. So of course, AI being the number one. They are also cross-chain infrastructure, and right now they have the privacy layer. So most crypto projects only have one story. Near has all three. Now, that doesn't guarantee success, and this is not financial advice. Let me stress that again. The AI agent economy is still very early in turn. So it is growing, it is still evolving, and competition is fierce. But if AI agents become a real thing over the next few years, and if crypto becomes more multi-chain, then Near Protocol has quietly positioned itself in a very interesting place. A blockchain that started as an AI company might end up benefiting from the AI boom after